Well, hello everybody. I'm out in the field. Quite literally, look, I'm out in the field. I'm at Hartshill Hayes. The ladies have gone for a walk. I'm resting my foot and sitting down. I've just flown the Mavic Mini 3 in, as you can see with the grass moving around. Let me see you. Oh. There's quite a bit of breeze even at ground level, but the drones had no trouble whatsoever, so I'm very impressed with what's happened so far. Yeah, just suddenly came out, so I thought I'd try it out here. I've flown here before, tried one or two of the shots, which have been, it's the confidence I have in it. It just seems to fly really, really well and easily, never loses the contact. The Mavic Mini 1 used to lose contact with the drone from the controller. But this has been absolutely fine, and it went really high up. I took it over nearly 100 meters up, and it still wasn't showing a strong wind warning, and yet there is a bit of a breeze blowing, so I'm very, very impressed. Excellent. So shall I publish this little snippet? Do you deserve it? I think so. Yeah, okay, here we go. I know this area well because for 10 years we used to live in one of those houses down there. Now this feature on the drone I haven't used before, and it's called Spotlight, and it just keeps me in the middle of the frame wherever I take it. This is from about 100 meters up, and there's a quarry over to the right, the top of the park, and a big water storage tank on the top of the hill here. And then the main part of the wood, which is Hartshill Hayes. There's about 300 acres of it. It's a great asset to the county and one of the secrets as well, because not everybody knows it's here. And now we're looking over towards Leicestershire, towards the north. And finally we come full circle, and this is the quarry again. That wood below is St Lawrence's Wood, and that's full circle round to the top of the wood and the main entrance to the park. Till we meet again next time. I nearly said I'll see you next time, but you know what it is. Oh yes, you'll see me. Okay, bye bye.